Welcome to our review of the DJI Flip drone. This portable and powerful drone is designed for capturing life's most thrilling moments with its 4K UHD camera and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Fly fearlessly with the DJI Flip's full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing comprehensive protection for you and others. Enjoy your time with the drone, knowing you're safe. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Flip is lightweight and regulation-friendly, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. No FAA registration or remote ID required in America, so you can focus on capturing the moment. With subject tracking, the DJI Flip acts like your personal cinematographer, capturing every move with precision and ease. Whether you're hiking, having a party, or just enjoying time with friends, this drone has got you covered. Capture every detail with the DJI Flip's 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering clearer images with vivid detail. Perfect for capturing scenery, portraits, and more, this drone's camera is designed to exceed your expectations. Experience stunning 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with the DJI Flip, capturing the beauty of sunrise and sunset with ultra-high definition. Every moment looks breathtaking with this drone's exceptional visual capabilities. With up to 31 minutes of flight time, you can capture more moments and explore further without interruptions. The DJI Flip includes the RC2 remote controller with a high bright screen, 1 battery, and more, providing an upgraded flying experience. Get your DJI Flip drone today and experience the thrill of aerial photography. With its advanced features, stunning camera, and long flight time, this drone is perfect for capturing life's most unforgettable moments. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to learn more about this drone and other great products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.